Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Cadillac XTS with a dead battery. First, find the small button or latch on your key fob to release the hidden physical key. Once you have the key, insert it into the keyhole located on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key to manually unlock the door. This simple step allows you to gain entry to your vehicle even when the electronic systems are completely powered down. Now that you are inside your Cadillac XTS, the next step is to open the hood. Look for the hood release lever, which is typically situated on the driver's side, usually near the floorboard or kick panel. It often has a small icon of a car with its hood open. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the hood unlatches, allowing you to proceed to the next stage. With the hood now unlatched, you'll need to locate the remote battery terminals. While the main battery in a Cadillac XTS is usually in the trunk, there are convenient jump-starting posts under the hood. Look for a red plastic cover, often marked with a plus sign, which indicates the positive terminal. The negative terminal or a suitable ground point will be nearby, often a metal part of the engine block. To jump-start your Cadillac XTS, connect the red positive jumper cable to the positive terminal under the hood. Then, connect the black negative cable to the negative terminal or a good ground point. Ensure all connections are secure. Start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows enough charge to transfer, hopefully enabling your XTS to start its engine successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.